Back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Road to Vostok game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, low FPS, showing black screen or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first method is to click on the play button over here and you will get play road to Vostok and road to Vostok Vulcan and DirectX. So you have to select this, the first one, and after that click on the play button. If this doesn't work, come back, click on the play option and select road to Vostok DirectX and then check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, next method is to restart your PC and then check. So for that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch the game and then check if it's working now. If not, next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. This is the game application. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue still continues again and again, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall and network protection. Allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings, and after that here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. So search for the game first. So the game is listed over here. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and check. If not, next is to modify launch arguments. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on here under general, you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapters. Select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to stop overclock CPU and GPU. So if there is any overclocking of CPU GPU in the background, then you are suggested to disable it, as this can lead to such unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if there is any antivirus program installed on your software, then you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game, because this can stop you from playing the game smoothly. So it's suggested to disable the antivirus software before you launch the game and then check. Next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search. Now go to settings. After that, click on Windows update option, then click on check for updates option. It will check if there is any update available for your Windows. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and then check. Next method is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, here you have to search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder. So go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game to the list, search for here, and after that click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance. Once you have done this, launch the game and then check if it's working or not. Next is to close unnecessary background task. So for that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now under background process tab here, you have to search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select this, right click on it, click on end a task, and this will close the app that is running in the background completely. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. After the website opens, go below. From here, you have to click on the link to download. Once Visual C++ files is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Whatever you get, click on it. Now wait for some time. After it is completed, close this. Now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now log into the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam, and finally reinstall Road to Vostok game, and then click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Road to Vostok game: crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, showing black screen, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.